The MTF fractals indicator is one of the main tools used to determine the trend reversal, retracement or the emergence of a new trend. They allow you to enter at the most advantageous point and earn many points even with one order. Moreover, the fractal indicator always works without redrawing, due to which its signals are particularly accurate. In practice, traders use both the basic version of the instrument and modified algorithms. It is about them that will be discussed in this article. MTF fractal indicator is a support/resistance indicator, used to define the key market levels based on its fractal calculations. This indicator has been developed to assist the short-term traders who wish to trade in coordination with recent swing areas of the market. Since it is a scalping indicator, you may apply it on shorter timeframes like M1 to M15 charts of your MT4 platform. MTF fractal indicator allows you to apply it to all kinds of Forex currency pairs. Besides, it suits all types of trading styles. Its simplicity of use and easy rules of trading offers great privilege for the newbie traders. The MTF fractal indicator for MT4, better referred to as the multi-timeframe fractal indicator for MT4, is a complex indicator, programmed to detect and show various patterns in the market dynamics that are not visible to the naked eyes. By being a multi-timeframe fractal indicator, the MTF fractal indicator is able to show the fractal points of higher timeframes on lower timeframes. What is a fractal indicator? There are quite a number of MT4 indicators that are based on fractals. To understand how to use these indicators, it is important to understand how the class of fractal indicators operates. In a nutshell, the fractal indicators indicate the strong levels in the market prices, and the strong levels are normally certain points during a market trend where trends change. For instance, a fractal indicator could point out several points in a market trend where the trend reverses every time it approaches. In such a case, if the points were to be connected, then we would have a resistance level line. The important levels pointed out by fractals are in most cases used to plot trend lines, support and resistance lines, or even pivot points. How does the MTF fractal indicator for MT4 work? Having understood what fractal indicators do, it is now easy to understand how the MTF fractal indicator for MT4 functions. If you load an MTF fractal indicator for MT4 on a trading chart, you shall see some red and blue dashed lines with some large dots along the lines. The large red and blue dots are normally the strong levels that are pointed out by the fractals, while the dashed lines connecting them form a system of support and resistance levels. Multi-timeframe fractal indicator, which shows the higher timeframes fractal point on lower timeframes. Compatible with MT4 build 600 or later. The extend_line function draws a horizontal line from the previous fractal point until a candle closes it over. The show_validation_candle option shows which candle is the point when the higher timeframes fractal is validated and the fractal point appears. How does the MTF fractal indicator work? The MTF fractal indicator provides the traders with the fractals of all timeframes on one selected chart. By default, down fractals are highlighted in blue, up fractals are highlighted in red. When you point the mouse cursor on the line, the indicator displays information about the timeframe on which the fractal is formed and its price level. The MTF fractal indicator is convenient for traders who use elements of fractal theory in their trading. The indicator facilitates the work, allowing you to see all the information on one screen without opening additional tabs. Indicator can also serve as one element for creating your trading system or improving an existing one. Sell setup: whenever you see a down fractal, red line, wait for the bearish candle to complete its move below the fractal resistance. Place a sell stop order just below the low of the candle. Place your stop loss just above the fractal support. Take profit and close the position manually when you see fractals on the chart. Alternatively, you can place a take profit at the next horizontal support level on the chart. MTF fractal conclusion: the MTF fractal is a trend indicator that is commonly used to detect a trend retracement or trend reversal. The indicator can be applied on any time frame. However, relying solely on the indicator is unwise. You can combine other tools to confirm your trade entry and reduce your risk. MTF fractal indicator trading strategy. Now, let's discuss the MTF fractal indicator trading strategy. By setup.